Hey everybody, welcome back to KF Trades. In this video I'm going to talk about selling puts for additional income, whether it be weekly or monthly. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get out there and make some money. Hey everybody, welcome back to KF Trade. So today I want to talk about selling puts. So recently we've had some high volatility, so the price of options are up. So that's a great time to take advantage of selling some puts to create some extra income. Or if you're looking to buy a stock, it's a great time to lower the cost of that stock if it does get assigned. So here I got a couple examples of things that I did this last week. So I own Carlyle Group, and I'm looking to lower my cost basis after this big pullback, and I have some resistance at $35. So on Thursday, May 12th, when the volatility was up, I decided to sell a put. During that day, they were trading between 140 and 130, the ones that sold earlier, but I didn't catch it at the bottom. So I only ended up getting $110 for this, $1.10. So just in the following day, the price of it is now trading at 35. So you want this to basically go to zero. So you just keep the $110. Or if the stock ends up dropping below that $35 on expiration, you will own the 100 shares. So when you sell a put, I had it at the 35 strike. You actually have to have $3,500 in your account to cover that if it does get assigned. If it doesn't get assigned, you just keep the $110 that you sold that put for. On a stock that doesn't pay dividends, it's a great way to just generate extra income every week or every month. So I ended up getting $110 for this one, and then I sold another one on a firm. I own a firm, and I sold this one for $235. Now that one I sold, I believe it was at the 15. So it was at the 15 strike. And I sold it for $235, and it's already only worth about 14 cents. So I've already made $210 on that one, or $220. So, and you can close these out before they expire. These two examples happen to expire on 5/20. So I'll see how things are going in the market on Monday and Tuesday. If I think the market's going to turn and I'm not ready to purchase these, or I think it's going to go even lower, I'll sell these, get out of them, get my money, and then maybe look to sell another one if it goes lower. So we'll look at the Carlyle Group. So say this stock this following week trades down and closes below $35 by 5/20, and I'm not out of it. I'll actually end up getting assigned those 100 shares at the 35 strike. But what will happen is it'll end up taking off that $1.10 that I made on it. So I actually got it for $33.90. So that'll reflect in your cost per share when it averages it down. So that helps you lower the cost of your shares even more. But like I said, if it doesn't get assigned, you just keep the $110. With the example in a firm, if this stock closes below $15 on expiration at 5/20, I will end up buying another 100 shares at $15. But it will adjust my price based on the $235 that I sold the put for. So I will actually end up owning it, let's see, well below its current low at 1364. So since they've crushed earnings here recently this week, hopefully this will be a low and we can play that as our current low. So anything that we can get to add to our shares below that price is a benefit. Examples of how you can generate additional money each week, or if the options are only available every month on a stock that you own, or if you just want to find a stock that you want to own, this is a great time to sell a put on it while most stocks are at their lows and the volatility has been up. Now we'll have to see how this week plays out, whether we continue to go up and then you get an opportunity to write some covered calls, which we'll cover in another video at some point. But with that said, this was a great way for me to basically get 235 on one, 110 on another, so I got $345 extra for this last week just by writing those. And at this point, they're almost worthless, so I'll be able to collect that money if we don't get a huge drop again. Or I'll just get out of them early and maybe not get the whole value of them. If you're already a subscriber, thanks for watching. If you're not, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, hit that bell notification, and we'll see you in the next video. Get out there and make some money.